Hello and welcome to Canada Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're going to show a video of this Breville 870XL, and let's go ahead and start by see it does a good job of grinding at setting 3. I actually accidentally did a single, so let me just grind a little bit more. Then I'm going to tamp it. Shot of espresso. See, we get really good crema. The dose is a little high for this cup, but you can see we get great crema and makes a nice shot. Let's test the steam. So thank you for watching with Canada Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.